grammar part, let us learn question tag. Here, what is the question tag? The questions, the tag questions is also known as a question tag. Okay, convert a statement into a question. They are frequently employed to verify information that we believe to be correct. Okay, that means whatever you give the statement, whether it is correct or not. For example, he is playing cricket. Whether that statement is correct or not. So we have to verify. That means he is playing a cricket. Isn't he? That is question tag. Okay. And one more example. They are playing kabaddi. They are playing kabaddi. So here verify. You are checking whether it's correct or not. They are playing cricket. Aren't they? Aren't they? That is question tag. And here tag questions are question tags formed by combining auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb means helping verbs. Okay, auxiliary verbs means helping verbs. That is including modal auxiliaries. Okay, be form verbs, do forms, have forms, and modal auxiliaries also. And a subject pronoun. Subject must be in pronoun. Okay, that is I, you, she, he, it, we, they. They're all pronouns, personal pronouns. So the subject must be in pronoun. If the main clause is positive, the question tag is usually negative. Okay, please keep remember. If the main clause is positive, the question tag is usually negative. If the main clause is negative, the question tag is usually positive. For example, let us see. He is doing homework. Okay. He is doing homework. This is positive statement. Now, question tag is int he. This is helping verb, auxiliary verb, and negative int, contracted form. Okay, not here int, not here short form, int. So isn't, and subject must be pronoun. So isn't he. See, when the statement is, main clause is positive, the question tag must be in negative. Take same example. He is not doing homework. See, here the main clause is negative. So now question tag is he. So is he. This is question tag. So the question tag must be here positive. Here statement is negative. Okay, that is the difference. You have to understand. That means the main clause, if the main clause is positive, the question tag usually negative. If the main clause is negative, the question tag usually positive. Understand? Here, some basic points to remember. You need to remember some basic points to convert into question tag. See, the sentence and the question tag must be in the same tense. Okay, If the sentence is present tense, the question tag must be in present tense. If the sentence is past tense, the question tag must be in past tense. Understand? If the sentence is perfect tense, the question tag must be in perfect tense. Okay. And second point, for negative question tag, use the contracted form, that means helping verb not and not. Okay. For example, contracted form, not contracted form int, doesn't, does plus not, doesn't, do plus not, don't, did plus not, didn't. That is contracted. Contracted means what? Short forms. Okay, hadn't, will plus not, won't, will not. Here contracted form won't. Can plus not, can't, cannot here short form can't. So the third point is, if the sentence is positive, the question tag must be negative. Vice versa. Vice versa means if the sentence is negative, the question tag must be in positive. That is already I referred. And fourth point, always use pronouns in the question tag. Okay, only pronouns must be in the question tag. You should not use any noun. Question tag, in the question tag, pronoun must be there. Understand? There are the 4 important basic points you have to remember.